Hello, it's March 19th, 2020, and welcome to Weekly Car Crap, the show that brings you the best car news of the past week. Did I hit that? Have you been meaning to buy a Corolla or a Civic but have been holding off because you thought to yourself, it should be more ugly? Well, I think Hyundai has a solution for you because this past week they released their 2021 Hyundai Elantra, which Brian Wong from Cars.com describes as a downsized Sonata. Yes, this beauty, but with a slightly less fishy grille. But despite my opinions on its appearance, two powertrains have been announced. You can get a 147 horsepower 2-liter inline 4 paired with a CVT, or a hybrid which has a 1.6-liter 4-cylinder mated with a 32 kilowatt-hour electric motor, and that produces 139 horsepower and 195 pound-feet of twisties. Practicality features include 38 inches of rear legroom, 14.2 cubic feet of trunk space, wireless Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, the ability to unlock and lock the car from an Android phone. Ah, suck it, Apple customers. Wait, I'm an Apple customer. And an option to get a very Mercedes-esque dual 10.25-inch screens as your dashboard. If you've always wanted a brand new Audi R8 and that $169,000 MSRP was just too much for you, well, there's good news. Due to decreased sales of their flagship supercar, Audi's dealers have been offering $7,500 discounts on these R8s. This means the price is brought down to a very affordable $162,400. Yes, now I can afford one. That being said, some dealers are offering even more. Savings have ranged from $8,000 to an Atlanta dealership offering $17,653 off a new 2020 Audi R8 Spyder. Have you ever wanted a really tiny pickup truck that probably isn't useful for anything but looks really cool? Well, Suzuki of New Zealand are taking Jimenys, cutting off the back, putting on a truck bed, and creating this masterpiece. Looks super awesome. I would very much like to have one of these. And to get one, all you need is to gather 23,000 American dollars and move to New Zealand, because sadly we don't get this car here. Not even the normal Jimny. The coronavirus has taken yet another toll on an automotive event. The Maserati MMXX The Way Forward event that was supposed to be held in May in Modena, Italy, has been pushed to September of this year. The event is meant to highlight the Italian brand's new beginning with a focus on electrification. One of the cars to be debuted there is the Maserati MC20, the company's new mid-engine sports car, which has been spotted driving around in camouflage and apparently even flipping people off. Also amidst the outbreak, Ford, GM, FCA have all worked with the UAW to create plans to keep their workers safe without completely shutting down their plants. This means that some of the companies will be finding time in between shifts to do some sanitizing and have partial shutdowns for deeper cleaning. The union has also stated that all three companies have agreed to measures that will increase adherence to the CDC's recommendation on social distancing in the workplace. This comes after 17 workers reportedly walking off of their jobs at a Fiat Chrysler factory in Michigan due to coronavirus concerns. If there's any quote-unquote good news to come from this situation, is that gas prices have dropped. Hooray! Gas Buddy analyst Patrick DeHaan has said that the national average could drop down to $1.99 a gallon, with some states going as low as 99 cents per gallon. This comes as a combination of higher supply from Russia and Saudi Arabia, who are in the middle of a price war right now, and the lower demand of gas during the pandemic. Alright guys, that was this week's Car Crap. Based on your feedback from last week, we decided to continue with the show. So you could look for it on our YouTube channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon there. Or on our Instagram account on IGTV, probably every Friday, I'm thinking. Yeah, let's go with Friday, we'll see. More solidified plans will be announced as we go down the line. But if you guys somehow stumbled on this accidentally and don't listen to our podcast, please listen to that, because that's our main thing on this channel. We do have more interesting and in-depth conversations on that show. So yeah, again guys, subscribe and hit that bell icon. If you like it, hit the thumbs up button. If you don't, well, I mean, there's another button there too. Visit us on thecurbsidepodcast.com where you can find the links to every platform we are on. Follow us on our socials, and guys, during this time, please stay safe, wash your hands, be considerate of others, and we'll see you next week.